Dear students, welcome to MSBT online learning platform. Myself, Ms. Yogita Zore, Head of Information Technology from Vidyalankar Polytechnic, Mumbai. In Java programming course, total units are 6. First unit is Basic Syntactical Construct in Java. But before moving first unit, students need to understand what is Java technology and where to use. Java is one of the most popular programming language used to create web applications and platforms. It was designed for flexibility, allowing developers to write code that would run on any machine, regardless of architecture or platform. So, unit outcome 1 is write a program to create classes and objects for the given problem. And learning outcome is students should understand the installation of Java Development Kit. Let us see the history of Java, components of Java, and installation steps of JDK and example, that is how to execute Java program. Here is the concept map. After this, students should know what is Java Development Kit and Java Virtual Machine. Following are the learning objectives. Learn the history of Java, understand the Java components, understand the JDK tools, and installation steps of JDK. So let us start with history of Java. Java is general purpose object oriented programming language. It was developed by James Gosling, Patrick Norton, Chris Warr, Ed Frank, and Mike Sheridan at Sun Microsystems. It was originally called Oak but was renamed Java in 1994. It was designed for development of software for consumer electronic devices like television, cable set-top boxes, and other electronic machines. Java acronym for names of team members. J stands for James Gosling, A stands for Arthur, V stands for Van Off, and A stands for Andy Bacholism. In the next slide, we will see the Java components. So there are three components of Java: bytecode, Java Development Kit, and Java Virtual Machine. In this slide, we will understand the concept of bytecode. Java bytecode is the instruction set for Java Virtual Machine. The intermediate form of Java program is known as bytecode. So now we will see this concept through example. So this is our source code. I have written this source code in Notepad. Student can write or type this source code in any editor like Notepad or Notepad++. This source code is compiled by Java compiler. When we write a program in Java, the compiler compiles that source code and bytecode is generated. Now, the file which contains this code has .class extension. So this is the file which is having .class extension. This bytecode is platform independent, means it is not machine specific. So Java compiler not only compiles the program but also generates the bytecode for the program. So here we can say that the bytecode makes Java platform independent and secure language. Students need to understand here, when we save our program, you have to give .java extension and bytecode having .class extension. So this is all about bytecode. Second component is Java Development Kit, that is JDK. The Java Development Kit comes with collection of tools that are used for developing and running Java programs. So there are 7 tools. First, Java compiler. It is used to compile Java program. It translates Java source code to bytecode. Second, Java interpreter, and used to run an applet and application program by reading and interpreting bytecode files. Third, applet viewer. It enables to run Java applet. Fourth, Java H. It generates C header files and source files that are needed to implement native methods. Fifth, Java disassembler. It is used to convert bytecode files into a program description. Sixth one is Java Debugger. It is used to find errors in programs. And seventh one is Java Doc. It is used to create HTML format documentation from Java source code files. Third component is Java Virtual Machine. It is a specification that provides a runtime environment in which Java bytecode can be executed. JVMs are available for many hardware and software platforms. JVM performs following operations: load code, verifies code, execute code, and provides a runtime environment. So here is how JVM works. First, Java code is compiled into bytecode. This bytecode gets interpreted on different machines. So, Java Virtual Machine is responsible for allocating memory space. So this is all about Java Virtual Machine. Now let us see how to install JDK to run our Java programs. First, download JDK. You can download Java 8 from Oracle's Java official website. Student can download any version of JDK. Here is the link is provided to download Java 8. The next step, click on the version you want to download, which is 64-bit version. Go ahead, accept the license agreement and download the file. To start the installation process, run the install by double-clicking it. You will see the installation wizard. Click on Next button. Next step, in this screen, you can change the certain installation default. I accept this as it is. You can change the installation directory if you want by clicking on Change button. Click Next to continue. You will see the installation begins. You will be asked to specify the default installation folder for JRE. I accept the default and click Next button. After this installation will continue, wait for some time for the installation process to complete. Once the installation completes, you will see the installation complete message as Java SE Development Kit 8 Update 241 successfully installed. Click on Close to complete the installation. Here, Java is successfully installed. Now to see exactly Java is installed successfully or not, open your command prompt. Follow these instructions. My JDK is available in program files. So I have typed change directory, that is CD program files. After that Java, after that JDK and bin folder. Here user need to type javac space -help. After clicking on enter, user will get the complete information about Java compiler. This way, I can say that in my machine, JDK is installed successfully. Now, how to execute the program? Let us open editor. I have opened Notepad and I have typed one program to display simple Java program. Save this file in bin folder only. So my class name is AAA. You have to save your file with the class name only. So this is my source file. So extension of this source file should be Java. Save. Now open command prompt. Or directly you can open from C drive. So your JDK is program files, Java, JDK and bin. In this way also you can open your bin folder. Now here using javac, that is Java compiler, you can compile the program. So your file name is aaa.java. So my file is converted into bytecode. To see the effect of this bytecode, you go to this file explorer. Here you can see the two types of files. One is class file, it is generated right now, and one we have created already, that is Java file. Now go to the command prompt to see the output. So you have to type Java instruction followed by name of the file. Here no need to give the extension. Click enter. So in this way you can execute your Java program. So we will take quick review of today's session. First, the intermediate form of Java program is known as. The answer is bytecode. Second question, the file which contains bytecode has dot dot extension. So answer is dot class. And third question for you, give the real-time applications of Java. So answer is web applications, antivirus, smart card and game. Thank you.